Namaskaram everyone, and this is Manoj Kannan, certified yoga trainer. Let me come up with an important balancing posture for today's session. Balance is very important. Either you are going in vehicles or walking, doing any kind of work, balance is important. This posture is called as tree posture. So how you can see the tree, it's standing for years and years with its balance. It's initially the posture will be little tough. Okay. Once you get used of it, it will be easily coming to you. Let me start this balancing posture. Standing in shoulder width apart, bringing my one leg, left leg, and keeping it like this. And just standing in one leg and with namaste position. Same way I am doing it for the next leg. Standing like this, like this. Maintain this posture for at least 5 to 10 seconds as per the capacity of your body, and I should focus straight this while doing this posture, tree post or Vrikshasana. This is what I need to share for today's session. Daily practicing this asanas will help to maintain your balance. Okay. We have two important nadis, Ida and Pingala. Only if it is balanced, it's a good thing. Central nadi gets activated. The same way, balancing our body, mind is very important when we come to maintain our health. If you need doubts, please feel free to contact me, and please subscribe to the channel so that whenever I post videos you get notifications. And this is what I want to share for online yoga sessions. I am also available. Thank you and Namaskaram.